If you open my user input fxml file in Scene Builder, you will see it's quite simple. I only have a button named button stop go and label time. And here's our controller. So inside the controller, the running clock is the reference to our business object, and set running clock is the method to use during use case setup to give the controller our data object, so we can subscribe the label to receive updates when they are broadcast by the running clock. OnClick stop and go is the handler for the button. It tells the clock whether to keep running or not. It also flips the caption of the button from stop to go and backwards. It would be possible that we could start the thread right here inside the controller code, but it's the clock object responsibility, so this should be done by the running clock internally, as we currently do. And it may require internal data attribute adjustments to make the clock running properly. I also have the start clock method inside of the controller class. So we need this method to initially start the clock. We will call this method from our start method in the main application class. So this is our main application class right here. So the usual approach, the main thread simply calls the launch of the JavaFX application class, which creates a Java application thread and invokes the start method. So in the start method, we load our fxml file, we obtain a reference to our controller, we create the running clock data object, we set up the controller to use the running clock, and after this window is made visible, we call start clock method to start the clock running.